Hey creators, want to make amazing videos without filming, editing, or even touching a camera? Well, today I've got something incredible for you. We're looking at the best free AI video generators that turn text and images into videos in just a few clicks. Yep, no experience needed, whether you're a content creator, student, marketer, or just curious. These tools can save you time, spark your creativity, and help you create content that actually stands out. Let's jump in. Before we start, subscribe for more amazing videos. Runway is a powerful AI creative tool that lets you generate videos from text prompts, images, or even video inputs. It's like having your own movie studio, powered by AI. The most popular feature? Gen 2-Runway's next-gen text-to-video model. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Go to runwayml.com, create a free account and log in. You can start your video in 3 ways. Text prompt, e.g., a cyberpunk city at night. An image, turn it into an animated scene. Or use a short video clip for AI-style transfer. Click Generate, and let the AI do its magic. Within seconds, you'll get an animated video from your input. Once it's ready, you can preview, upscale, or download your video in MP4 format. Runway is perfect for concept art, YouTube intros, music videos, short films, storyboarding, or just experimenting with creative ideas. You don't need to be a video editor, just imagine, type, and create. Another AI tool is Digen AI. It is an online AI-powered tool that takes a text input, like a blog, script, or product pitch, and automatically generates a complete video with visuals, voiceover, and subtitles. No editing skills needed, just type, and Digen builds the entire video for you. Head to Digen AI, click Generate Video, and paste your image and text prompt. Here's mine. Zoom out from Earth to reveal the moon, then a starry galaxy backdrop with glowing nebulae and swirling stars. Cinematic, realistic, and awe-inspiring. Choose your voice, music, and style, then hit Generate. And just like that, your space video is ready to share with the world. Like this? Subscribe my channel for more AI video tools. Generates a full video scene. No filming, no editing, just pure AI magic.